how to redeem your Grubhub gift card or how to add your gift card balance to Grubhub. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pivan Vesnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or redeem the Grubhub gift card onto your account. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Grubhub application and make sure there you are signed into your account. If you're signed in there, let it load up and you should get an interface somewhat like this. Now it's taking me quickly here, so I'll just restart it again. Now here you should get an interface somewhat like this. At the home page, you can see home page, rewards, orders and account options right at the bottom of your screen. You want to simply head into the accounts option that is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on account, there you'll get this list of options, and down below there at the screen you can see gift cards option. Under the external offers option, simply tap on gift cards, and then since you want to redeem a gift card, simply tap on redeem a gift card, enter your 17-character code here, the gift card code, and then go ahead through the prompts and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can redeem the Grubhub gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.